Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join the creator program beta on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to its fullest and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need to be eligible to have the creativity program enabled on your account. So if you meet the requirements, you will need just to go to profile, and here we click on these three line icons, then creator tool, we click on creator tools. After that, we will find these analytics, monetization, more tool, and everything else. So here in monetization, you will find the creator program beta. So if you are eligible or your account meets the requirements for this program, you will find it here, and then you can uh, apply for this program. So now let's check in what are these requirements for the beta program or this creativity program. So here you will need just to meet these eligibility requirements. So you have to be a US based account, be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100k video views in the last 30 days. And of course, you can just go to the creator tools, as I said, and then you can go to the creativity program. So basically, this is how you can enroll for this creativity program on TikTok. And of course, you need to do it from your mobile application, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.